Are you looking forward to stop playing background music on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Talkie AI and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the profile page, click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will land you on this page. Here you can see the option where it says play background music. Right now this feature is toggled on. As we're looking forward to turn it off, simply toggle off this button. And there you go, the background music has been turned off. Now even if you move into your inbox, you will be able to see that the background music is not playing anymore. But still you can turn it on anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.